Namaste to everyone. I welcome you all in my YouTube video channel. Now, I will deliver lecture on relation, lecture number 2, in which I will discuss about representation of a relation. We have two sets, A and B. A contains elements A, C, E, F. B contains element B, D, G, H, J, such that A is father of B and A is also father of G. A is father of B and G. C is father of D. Let relation father is denoted by R. As a relation R is a subset of Cartesian product of A and B. Here we may write the relation father as A is father of B. Here A is father of B. A is father of G. C is father of D. And remaining elements may have any other relation. So the father relation R is a subset of Cartesian product A and B. And this is our relation R. We may represent this relation in different forms. The relation is represented as number 1, algebraic representation. Number 2, visual representation. Number 1, algebraic representation. In this representation, we may represent the relation in two forms. Number 1, roster form. This is the relation. Relation is father. This representation is in roster form. Example, relation R is represented as ordered pair AB, ordered pair AG, ordered pair CD. This is in roster form. Number 2, set builder form. This relation R is represented in set builder form as R is a set containing ordered pair xy such that x belongs to A, y belongs to B, and x is father of y. Number 2 is visual representation. In this representation, we use arrow diagram. Now we sketch the diagram. This is the set A. This is the set B. Set contains elements A, C, E, F. Set B contains B, D, G, H, J. Here relation is A is father of B. We join this by arrow. A is father of B. Then A is father of G. C is father of D. This representation is the visual representation. Also, this is the representation by arrow diagram. Here, first component of ordered pair B, A, C. This is called domain of R, of relation R. And second component B, G, D. This is range of relation R. This B is called codomain. And range of R is of relation R is subset of codomain. Thanks for watching my video. If you are satisfied with my presentation and contents, then please click on like button and do subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.